Let's go live. Let's go. What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and I have to come to you guys right now and let you know Bitcoin just tanked all the way down to $40,000. This is the most unexpected thing that we could have thought was going to happen. What I thought was going to happen is we go right back down to 42 and we bounce off and make a double bottom and we spring all the way back up to $48,000 immediately. I want to get the news that we're doing this live stream. Let's get people over here so that we can talk about for the videos and stuff. So I'm going to let people know we're doing a live stream right now. Bitcoin emergency. Bitcoin just dumped. So everybody, we need to get everybody over here. We need to let them know we're here because this was an unexpected stream. We just came here and we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart here in 1 minute. We just need to get the word out that we are live streaming right now. That's the only problem about doing these pop-up live streams is all of the people that would normally be here aren't. So let me tweet this out on Twitter. Right here. Bitcoin crashing really fast. Copy, move this over here. Nobody's here yet. So Bitcoin Decoded with Jeff. Or actually just Bitcoin. I'm going to get into the entrance of the video once we get people here. I haven't even really started the official video yet because of what's happening. We're just going to try to get people over here and let them find out the news. If not, we'll just go on with the show and they can watch it on the upload later, which I don't recommend because this is happening right now. And it's actually going up a lot right now. So if you're going to buy at 40,000 would have been the time. Not financial advice, you know, common sense. Entertainment purposes only and stuff like that. But yeah. So we are covering ourselves with everything, but I'm also trying to give you guys accurate news. The only reason that I say these things is because I have to legally cover myself. But yeah, I really appreciate all of you guys coming here. We're going to keep you up to date on all of the happenings on with Bitcoin and these immediate quick updates that we do to let you know exactly what's happening, when it's happening, and what we need to do about it. Is it the end? Are we done? And I believe absolutely not. Because actually, look at my tweet that I made earlier. This is our first major correction in this bull market. Look at the first big correction in the first part of the bull market back here. So if you go in and you look at this, boom, look where we just went now, right to this line again of the 48. And in my previous video, I did tell you that we could go back down and touch that $38,000 level again. These are the things that I tell you for a reason, because I know that they can happen. Not that I want them to happen, but I got to let you guys be aware that these things are possible in this kind of a market. It is so volatile, and they make so much money when they trick people. And that's how they make their money in crypto, is when they trick people like this. So that's all they're trying to do. They're trying to trick people, you know, shake out the weak hands. That's what that means. When they say shake out the weak hands, they trick out all the weak hands. And, you know, now look at Bitcoin. It's going to go up thousands and thousands of dollars from here, guys. If anybody was going to watch my channel, this would have been the best time for anybody to watch us, because we are giving such good information right now. And I was telling you at 40,000. That this was down. So that was just a few minutes ago. And I'm sorry, I try to come on here and do the live stream, you know, as quickly as possible to let you guys know what's going on and that you need to, you know, it's an emergency happening right now. And that's why I'm trying to get the word out here. We're letting people know. I should let the inner council know. Emergency video, guys. This is why I need an active inner council member. I think I made everybody mad when I said I was going to disband it, but I need active people on here. Our inner council is just basically me talking and sometimes Andy Kuru. And yeah, but so I need people over here today. Everyone, please come for emergency live stream. And then let's let it be known on the actual emergency video right now. And I bet Bitcoin is going to be back up at 45,000 before you even know it, guys. So this is a good thing. Let's just finish getting the word out, and then if nobody shows up by then, this is why I don't do live streams normally, but I don't care. This is going to be for after the live stream. I'm over all of that. And now this won't work, like my community. Come on, dude. What are you... Profile. For some reason, my thing isn't working right now. It doesn't want to let my community thing come up. That's funny that it only does this during my live stream. It always works until I'm doing a live stream, and then it decides that it's not going to work. And I didn't do Pinterest. I pressed Reddit, thank you. I already am not liking this. For some reason, my community isn't going to show up, so yeah, it won't let me do it on Reddit. Well, guess what? I'm going to do it on my phone. I love it when my computer, this happens to me every day. My computer starts doing different stuff than it normally does. So normally this says profile, and I can just pick my profile right here. But of course, because this doesn't want to work correctly, it's not there. It's not there like it normally is every other time in the world, every single time. See, look, I'll show you on here. Here, so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'll show you on here. Pick a community. See, look. You pick a community. My profile right there at the top. Simple. That's exactly what it should be like right there. And then boom, my profile. That's exactly what should have just happened. And instead of that, this weird little thing comes here. And it doesn't show me any of my suggested communities at all. So how do I get it to, maybe I'll just choose boss main. There we go. Figured out a way around it, but that's what I'm talking about. These weird kind of things that happen for no reason. That is just so dumb. It's like these places purposely try to mess you up. They do something for like 5 months, right? One way. I press this for 5 months and it shows my name. And then all of a sudden, one day it just stops. I mean, that is the definition of trying to make somebody crazy. For real, just stop doing normal things. Like, why won't it work right now? Because it doesn't want to, or what? Did somebody program it not to work? That's what I'm wondering. Like, what is the reason for this? Is there a reason for it, or it just... I mean, it doesn't make sense to me, and when things don't make sense, I freak out. Yeah, I mean, if you guys know what's going on with that, please let me know. I'd love to know why it can pick and choose what it does sometimes. Do you guys understand why technology does that? And I can show you a lot more examples of stuff like that happening every day to me. Just weird stuff that it normally works, and then all of a sudden it just stops working. And that's what's happening with crypto right now. It's just not working the way that it should. But look at this. Okay, I'm done complaining. We're done with all that sharing. Now let's get over here to the price. Okay, guys, look at this. This is horrendous. Actually, let me see where my face is so I'm not covering the whole screen. Oh, okay, there's a few things that I need to do here. So for one, bear with me. Let's get rid of my face here. Let's get rid of this. I didn't even set up, guys. This was such a fast emergency video that I just jumped right in here. I didn't even really have time to do anything, so I'm sorry that it's a little bit messed up, but we're getting back on track here. So we have that. Let's put this up, and then we'll get right into the price. No more wasting your time. We have a few people here. That's all that matters. Okay, now let's get my head out the way. And we're going to look and see if there's anything that's telling us, yeah, Bitcoin is going to go right back up to 45, 50K. So let's go look right now. Enough wasting time. Look at this. We're already back almost to 42K, baby. And this is why I wanted to tell you fast that this was an emergency video, guys. Now, if you look back at over here, this is all I was expecting to happen, is it to go back to the 42 and then have a double bottom bounce, right? But the bears really got us good on this one, and I think it was because of BitBoy Crypto's news. He has over 1.2 some million subscribers, and if he tells everybody to sell their crypto because he thinks crypto's going to dump, look what happens. Okay, but don't let this discourage you guys, because this is a fake out shakeout, and we're going to continue to go. This is not the end of a bull market. If you ever knew the end of a bull market, it doesn't look like this. This is not what it looks like. It doesn't just go up a little bit and then dump and we're over. I mean, come on, guys. If you know anything from the past, that doesn't happen. Now, we actually haven't had anything quite like this in a long time, where we go up and we dump and we fail to keep going up, and then we just keep dumping further. That has not happened except at the end of the bull market, and it didn't even really happen then. It actually went back up before it dumped. So a lot of weird things are happening in crypto right now that don't make a lot of sense, and that's why it's manipulation, guys. We were above these crucial moving averages, and then somebody used their big influential money or all their money to push the price way, way, way down, which doesn't make sense, people selling off at these levels when we could have moved up to these levels. And it is just clear manipulation in the market. I don't know by who. It could be exchanges. It could be miners. We don't know. We're just looking at the technical analysis part of it because this is happening so fast. Now, let's look into the shorter term charts. I want to go to the 1 hour first. Normally, I do the 4 hour, but I really want to know what is up with this 1 hour. And look at all this volume coming in, guys. There is huge, huge, huge sell-offs. And look at this huge volume right here. But as we are going to go up, this volume is going to get more and more, because when it goes down to these levels, this isn't just selling volume. Some of this is also purchasing. It's just more selling than purchasing right now. That's the problem. So we go down. But people are still buying. They're just selling more right now. And, yeah, I don't see anything good for the charts right now. Not on the 1 hour. Everything is just looking brutal. Brutal right now. The RSI, we are so undersold on the hour. We're at 21. Let's look at the 4 hour RSI. What are we at here in the, 19? Yeah, guys, this is ridiculous, okay? This is ridiculous. This shouldn't be happening. This is just market manipulation. So just what you can do in a situation like this is buy altcoins, not financial advice, and buy Bitcoin, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Because look, I mean, we're dumped. We were just $2,000 less than this a minute ago. So to think that it's not going to go back up is just a thought that I can't even be a part of. But now we are going to have a huge inverse head and shoulders playing out. And I'm going to say it can happen in one of two ways. This is the head, and this is the shoulder, or this is the head down here, and this is the shoulder. And we're going to have a big inverse head and shoulders. So all this is doing is resetting, and this is a huge correction. That's what we needed. We needed a full $10,000 correction. I don't know why, but I guess the market needed it, right? We just keep having dump after dump after dump. And we need to, get the bears out of here and get the bulls back in. Because look how big of a dump that is on the daily. That's a daily chart. That's the daily candle. Look at that one. From 47 down to 43. $4,000 candle. What is this one? From 43 down to 40. Another $3,000 candle. So we had, a $5,000 candle, and then a $3,000 candle right afterwards. Thanks. And then up here, look, we had a $10,000 candle. Yep. So this is huge market manipulation by a big, very wealthy person or a group of wealthy people. This is what's happening right here. But if you look back, it's going to try to take us down to 38 again. We have a lot of support at 40, 42 mainly. So we don't have a whole lot of support right here at 40. I don't know how we were able to stay above that. I guess it's a good psychological level, and there is a lot of mass accumulation here, but 38 is the level that is at mass accumulation. So we have to be careful. If we, go below 40, we're going to go to 38. So I don't think that's happening. I think it was just a really quick splash crash, and then we're going to blast all the way back up. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick update. I am actually thinking about going over to Coinbase right now and seeing what the price the graph is at right now, because I think I want to purchase it right now. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's at 65. Oh, it went up to 67 already. I could have bought it at 65. I think I'm going to do it. How should I do this? Should I trade more Bitcoin for grass right now? We went to 40,200. Is that going to be a bounce, or are we going to dump below that? Okay, am I going to put my money where my mouth is? Yes. I think we're going to go back up, and I think it enough that I'm actually going to put my money where my mouth is and trade Bitcoin for the graph. Okay, how much do I want to do? 1,000? Preview convert. That gives me only 1,448. $1,448 divided by 67 cents. Or actually, it would be times. Yeah, it's 970 bucks. So, hold on. 67 what? Yeah, so that isn't even enough. So at 67 cents, 1448. Let's try it again. Yeah, now it's 1446. Dang, taking more every second. Okay, guys, well, I will do a video about this later and let you know what I decide to do with that. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. Do you guys have any questions for me? Buying the gem currently, smart man. Very, very smart. What up, Trash Faucet? He has a new spiel he wants me to say, but we can't do it this video because I don't know what it is. But it's Trash Faucet. All earning, all faucets, no trash. And that is this guy right down here, trashfaucet.com. Our other hopefully would-be sponsors, expresscrypto.io. They have surveys, they have short links, they have an awesome community. Go over and check it out. You can earn free crypto, and you can actually earn the free crypto from this site that pays over here. So, all right, guys, that being said, I'm going to make my face a little bit bigger, and then we're going to do our outro. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye, and good Bitcoin. Bang! That was a good one.